is Captain Fagan with the United States Secret Service Uniform Division, okay? I am here to inform you that you are now trespassing on State Department property. State Department is in charge of the property that your tent is on. There are clearly posted signs everywhere that there is no camping here. You are not allowed to live on this property. The State Department is the person in charge of this property, and they no longer wish you to live on this property. I'm going to give you a reasonable amount of time to comply with a lawful order, which is to remove all your belongings and your person from this property. Ma'am, please step back. You're interfering. Please step back. Do you understand what I've just told you?
先生，我们要通知你，你现在就是违背侵入这个地方，就是这个地方是美国国务院所有的，所以你必须要把你的所有的东西，还有你自己需要走，不能就是长途住在这边。我已经跟你说过了好几次，不能住在这边，所以你必须要走。所以他已经通知你，你有 how much time are we giving him? Did you say a particular amount of time or just a reasonable amount of time?
Just a reasonable amount of time.
你有一段时间把你所有的东西，还有你自己，还要走。如果你不走的话，你会被警察抓了。你懂吗？
我没有犯法，凭什么要抓我？
对我已经跟你说过了，我已经通知你的。好。
Excuse me, sir.
If you do not comply with the lawful order, after the third warning that we're going to give you, you will be arrested for the charge of unlawful entry.
我们已经跟你说了，他已经跟你说了一次，如果到3次的话，如果你不走的话，你没有听警察，听警察的话，所以他有权利抓你，所以你必须要走吧。
Do you understand what I've just told you?
你懂他刚才说的吗？
你先问他他的名字和他的警号，问这个。
请问警察先生，你叫什么名字？你的警号是什么
So he's asking you what your name.
Ma'am, step back, please. You're interfering with a police officer.
Okay, he's asked you what your name is and what your probably badge number, I assume. He literally said like police number.
My name is Captain Fagan, and my badge number is C66.
他是叫 Mike. You said Michael Fagan. Is that
Captain Fagan?
Excuse me, Captain Fagan. 还有他的警号是 C66。
你让他把
This
他
is
的
the
名
first
字
warning.
拼出来，让他把名字
第一次
拼出来。
跟你说，
你能不能把你的名字
Can you go over the air?
用英文字母拼出来？
我已经跟他说了，还有我也说了。
拼出来。
拼出来就是有什么字母组成的
He's asking me to spell your name.
Fagan.
Okay. 你已经听了 Fagan。
然后让他重复他的警号。
We're gonna wait 5 minutes.
让他重复他的警号。
请重复你的警号。
我已经说了2次吧。He's asking you to say your police number again, your badge number again.
C66.
好，已经重复了。
我在这里，这是美国的土地。我在这里是享有美国宪法赋予我和平抗议的权利。
I'm not going to have a
和
discussion.
请愿的权利。
Making a statement, he's like, this is American land, and I can, I have.
我在这里没有触犯任何的法律。
Any laws. I can. If you're not, I can translate or not. It depends on your interpretation. Okay.
Not interested.
So, excuse me, sir. He still has his statement to make. Yeah.
He can make his statement.
好，继续讲。
我在这里遵守美国的法律。没有触犯任何的法律情况下面，你们说要逮捕我，这是一种对我造成一定恐慌的言论。我觉得我感到很悲哀。美国是一个自由的国度，是一个讲法律的国度，在我没有做出任何违法的时候， 你们这么说，我觉得很悲哀，这是美国的悲哀。
Just like I have rights, you're doing bad things. You're a country of free speech. Why are you doing this? Well, things like that.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please say it loudly so that we can make sure that you have translated everything he has said?
No, I'm not. I'm not going to be. I don't have a responsibility to repeat anything so that you can record it.
Because I hear that you just say something briefly instead of translating literally word by word, sentence by sentence. So can you please?
No,
Ma'am, he
I'm
doesn't
not
have
going to do
to.
that.
He doesn't have to
for you.
talk to you. This doesn't involve you. Please step back.
好，支持啊，陳生繼續講，繼續同佢講，撳熄嗰個電話，
Am I delivering this to both of them or
Just him.
just him?
Just
Okay.
him.
繼續講。
Okay.
美国政府必须要依照美国的宪法来行使他的权利，而不是滥用法律来对一个和平抗议请愿的人进行驱赶。我现在，你看很多，就算不是来和平抗议的人，那些流浪汉也可以在这里居住，我凭什么就不可以？
說先生，請您翻譯。
先生，请你翻译给警察先生说，请。
No, I'm not gonna.
你拒绝翻译是吧？
好，okay. So because this gentleman refused to translate, so I'm going to translate. I'm not a court certified interpreter, but I'm going to translate what he said. He says, it's the tragedy for United States Constitution that a peaceful petitioner cannot be allowed here. They are homeless people who can set up tent to live everywhere, but how? Simply because I'm here exercising my First Amendment right to peacefully petition the Chinese government for redress of grievances, I have to live here. Why do the State Department and why do the U.S. Secret Service has to abuse process, has to use criminal process to persecute me, a law-abiding green card U.S. green card holder?
你们一定要强拆我的帐篷，我就会不用帐篷，我就会睡到中国大使馆的门口。
If you guys really have to use the power in your hands to dismantle my tent, I will live without a tent in front of the Chinese embassy. I have no choice. 好，你說你維權26年，維權26年，嚇你係走投無路。
我在中國受到司法迫害26年。
I was being persecuted judicially in China for the past 26 years.
我来到美国这块自由的土地，
I came to the free land of the United States.
享受着美国宪法赋予我的权利，和平抗议的权利。
Enjoying the constitutional protection.
5 minutes has just elapsed after I asked you to comply with my lawful order. I'm now going to ask you for a second time and repeat what I told you 5 minutes prior. That is, that you are now trespassing on property owned by the United States State Department. They no longer wish you to live and remain on their property. We have given you a lawful order to remove your possessions and your persons from this property right now. Failure to do so will result in your arrest for unlawful entry.
先生，已经过了5分钟，他已经通知你，你必须要把你的所有的东西，还有你自己离开这个地方。这个就是美国国务院的土地，你不能留在这边，你也不能回来。你现在是违背侵入国务院的土地。 所以这是他给你的第2次的通知，你必须要走，你必须要把你所有的东西要走。如果你不听他的话，到第3次的话，你不听他的，你会被警察抓了。
Sir, do you understand that I've given you a second warning, and that after the third warning, you will be arrested for unlawful entry?
你明白他已经给你2次的通知，你必须要把你所有的东西，还有你自己离开这个地方吗？还有到第3次没有离开，没有把你的东西走，你会被警察抓了。你懂还是不懂？
陳生你同佢講下，美國國會冇立法去剝奪人民自由向政府請願嘅權利，問佢係以呢個係攞咩權？邊個俾佢呢個權利？美國國會冇俾佢呢個權利，邊個俾佢呢個權利去做呢件踐踏你嘅憲法權利嘅事？
警察先生，美国国会有没有授权给你
你
们？
必须要你懂还是不懂？
我只问你们，美国国会有没有授权给你们？或者法院有没有授权给你们禁止我在这里进行和平请愿抗议？
I can keep asking if you like. Up to you. Whatever your preference is.
坚持又知道他的法律依据，他又这么做的法律依据。
你要坚持，连我的人都不能来这里，不能留在这里，你的法律依据在哪里？
Okay, so this kind of answers the question. So he is asking, you say that I can't stay here and that I can't stay here and I have to leave. Where is your authority, your legal authority to say that? So that is a kind of roundabout admission that he understands what you're saying. So,
Thank you.
That's
good enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please translate what you just said to the officer, to this gentleman?
I don't provide
No.
translations to you.
嚇，嚟，陳生，你要求佢頭先講緊對你好重要嘅嘢，你請佢翻譯佢頭先講嘅話。
先生，
So that's now
请你
probably
把你刚才说的话翻译一次给我听一下，很重要，这个对我。
你能再说吗？
刚才你说的话对我可能很重要，希望你能翻译给我听。
所以你是说你不懂我以前给你翻译的吗？
No, you were saying something to this officer. You were saying something to him
Oh,
that's
I
very
don't. No,
important.
I don't need to translate what I'm saying to him.
But what you said is something very important to him.
And
that
you've
has
been
legal
translating for him
implication.
in both Mandarin and probably
Sure.
Cantonese to him, so I'm sure he understands what
OK，
is
是
being said.
是 OK， 好
So-。
刚才这位翻译呢，就那个私下跟这位那个美国特勤局的那个 captain 说那个他说的话就已經是證明了他已經明白你所說的話，所以呢，他們現在就是佢哋依家咧就係想話你明白咁你唔做咁就要捉你係要捉你非法闖入，就係我之前被捉嗰個罪名。
Mostly when she's speaking to him, it's mostly what I guess is Cantonese.
繼續堅持又繼續要佢法律依據，話佢唔可以佢呢個憲法同埋美國國會冇授予佢呢個剝奪你憲法權利嘅權力，所以問佢呢個權力堅持話你要知道佢呢個權力從邊個嚟，同埋咧呢個命令係邊個下達嘅，係究竟係美國國務院仲係美
I'm
國
now going to let you know that another 5 minutes has elapsed. I'm giving you your third and final warning. You are now trespassing on property owned by the United States State Department. You do not have a lawful right to remain on this property. If the person in charge of the property no longer wishes you to remain here, there are posted signs everywhere that say no camping. You cannot live on this property. You've been told to vacate the property. I've told you now twice, this is your third and final warning. In another 5 minutes, if you refuse to comply with my lawful order to remove your possessions and your person from the property and relocate, you will be arrested for unlawful entry. Do you understand?
先生，已经又过了5分钟，这是第3次他要通知你，你不能留在这边，你必须要把你的东西走，还有你自己也是要离开这个土地。我已经跟你说了好几次，就是牌上了好多的牌子说你不能长途留在这边，不能住。我已经跟你说了好几次，你必须要走，你已经走了。如果又过了5分钟，还有你没走的话，你会被警察抓。
你们禁止我留在这里，是美国的宪法和法律或者国会授权给你们的吗？你们
So it seems like he's understanding. He hasn't answered directly, but he kind of stopped halfway through when I started explaining.
那个翻译呢，可以啊，还
先生，你有没有懂他说的，还有我给你翻译的吗？
你说的我根本就没办法理解，因为你们所说的，为什么我必须要离开这里？你的法律依据在哪里？是谁授权给你们的？
好，
你们的权利来自哪里？
先生，但是你懂，我已经跟你说了好几次，你必须要走，是不是？
我不清，
你懂这个话呢？
我不清楚你要我走的依据在哪里？你的法律依据在哪里？
So what he keeps doing is he's like, I don't understand where you're getting this authority or this right to like tell me that I need to leave. That's what I don't understand. So
okay,
yeah. I'm happy to.
Sir, you don't own this property. You don't have the right to be on this property. The person who owns this property has not granted you permission to be on the property. The person who owns this property has asked you to leave the property. If you leave the property with your belongings, ma'am, step back. That's the third and final warning I'm going to give you for interfering with a police officer. Sir, you don't have to be arrested. All we're asking you to do is remove your possessions and your person from the property and depart the property. The person who is in charge of the property no longer wishes you to be here and to live here.
OK， 先生，那你不是，这不是你的财产，是国院的财产，所以我们就是说你必须要走，就是因为我们有权利说这个人是可以留，这个人是不可以的，你不可以的，所以你必须要走。如果你不走的话，跟我已经刚才就是好几次跟你说过了，你会被警察抓了。但是如果你把你所有的东西，还有你自己离开这个地方，还有不回来的话，不会被警察抓。
请问你们驱离我的法律依据在哪里？有没有行政命令或者是手续谁下的命令？我得要看得清楚，不能凭你一句话就说我不能留在这里。
Excuse me, sir. Can you please translate what Mr. Chen has just said? Can you please?
No, ma'am. He doesn't have to translate for you.
好，来，请你要求他把你刚才翻译的话，因为佢拒絕翻譯。
请把我的话翻译给警官。
I have provided him with what translations that he needs.
Okay, so this gentleman was saying that I need to know if you say where did this order come from? Can you show me the proof?
Sir, I have given you 3 warnings with 5 minutes apart from each warning for a total of 15 minutes. I have asked you 3 times and explained to you 3 times that you are on property owned by the U.S. State Department. They have not given you permission to live and remain on their property. They have asked you to remove your person and your belongings from this property. I will give you a final chance right now to comply with my lawful order. If you do not begin to remove your possessions right now and depart the area, you are going to be arrested for the charge of unlawful entry and processed in the District of Columbia. Do you intend to comply with my lawfully given order?
先生，这是最后的一次，你有机会就是听他的话，如果不听的话，你会被抓了。还有在华盛顿地区，就是会被所以他是要问你，你会不会听他的话，开始把你的东西走，还有把你自己离开这个地方呢？
你问他是不是明确拒绝回答法律依据？
你是不是刚才我问你们的命令和依据是哪个法律？
就是问我问题，你有最后的一个机会来回答我的问题，你会还是不会？
我只希望知道
会还是不会？
你们有什么法律的依据？
All I need is one answer. Are you going to comply with my lawful order? Yes or no?
你会不会聽他的話？
佢話佢係一個合法嘅命令。
如果不會的話，
I need an answer right now.
所以你就話你既然你係一個合法嘅命令，所以我就要知道你嘅法律依據，一個法律依據，以便知道你呢個的確係一個合法嘅，係一個合法嘅一個命令。佢話佢係合法命令咧。
警察先生，刚才你说你这个
Okay, you're under arrest. Turn around,
警
put
察
your
先
hands
生
behind your back. Ma'am, step back or you'll be arrested for interfering with a law enforcement officer. Step back, ma'am.
I have something that's
Step back,
belonging.
ma'am.
I have
Ma'am,
something
step
over
back or you're going to jail for interfering with a law
I have
enforcement officer.
something that's
Ma'am,
my
step
belonging.
back.
I have
Step
something
back.
that's
You'll
my
be able to get your
belonging.
belongings.
嚇？This gentleman asked me to take care of a very important personal belonging.
Not right now. Right now, there's a police investigation going on.
Okay.
Failure to comply with my lawful order will result in your arrest for interfering with a police investigation.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not. 邊啲嘢？陳生。袋同埋手機嚇，袋同埋手機，袋同埋手機。
Ma'am, you need to stay a safe distance away. Not
You can stay right there, okay?
Final warning. Next time you will be arrested
For what?
for interfering with the police.
No, I'm not interfering.
Just listen to what I said.
I'm
Stay
not
safe
interfering. God knows I'm not interfering. How many peaceful protesters petitioner has to be arrested and criminally charged? This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. It's the death of the U.S. Constitution. Shame on you, U.S. Department of State. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, U.S. Secret Service. Shame on you, U.S. Department of State, for arresting a peaceful petitioner who has been spending the past 26 years to execute a This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. It's the death of the U.S. Constitution. Shame on you. President Abraham Lincoln has said, nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. United States Department of State, what are you doing with the power in your hands? You are helping the Chinese government to spread the coronavirus to the world, to persecute this peaceful petitioner, this law-abiding U.S. green card holder. Shame on you, shame on you. This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. This is the death. The First Amendment to the United Constitution clearly states that... Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. He asked me to take care of his personal belonging. He asked me to take care of his personal belonging and his cell phone. He asked me to take care of his personal belonging.
Here you go. He wanted you to have a cell phone?
Yeah, and also he wants me to have the cell phone. He wants me to have...
Are you...
Excuse me, sir.
Just hang out right here.
And also I have my stuff over there.
Just one of the pennies, Dad.
Just one of one?
This gentleman is asking me to take back personal belonging. That's his most important personal belonging and his cell phone. That gentleman entrusted me with those important. Excuse me, sir. Can you give those to me? The First Amendment to the United States Constitution clearly stipulates that Congress shall make no law abridging the right of people peaceably to protest or to assemble or to petition the government for a redress of grievance. Why do you have to do this? Why do you have to use that power in your hands to persecute this peaceful U.S. green card holder? Excuse me, sir. Can I go there to get my stuff?
No, not at this time, no.
When can I go?
When we're finished.
You will be shame on you when you die. God is going to ask you, what did you do with the power in your hands? Huh? You persecute a helpless, peaceful petitioner. He's a U.S. green card holder, a law-abiding U.S. green card holder. Why do you have to do this? Don't you know that the Chinese government has been trampling on human rights in China? Why do you have to help them to trample on this basic human right to petition the government for redress of grievances? Why he has been living in a tent for the past since December 3rd, 2019? Why do you have to do this? Why do you have to do this? Excuse me, sir. I have something important to say to this gentleman. Can I say something very important to this gentleman?
Not right now.
Hey, Officer Longstraw, every time a Chinese petitioner, protester is arrested, you are involved. And every time you have a big smile in your face. How much did the Chinese government pay you to do this? Huh? When you go to hell, it will be too late for you to regret.
Yeah, let's just make sure.
Shame on you, shame on you, shame on you, shame on you, shame on you. U.S. taxpayers are paying for your salary, but the Chinese government, maybe they are giving you the bonus, huh? Why are you doing this? Excuse me, sir. Can I go there to take my stuff?
Not right now. We'll tell you when, okay?
Are you proud of what you are doing?
Okay.
Are you proud of what you are doing?
It's in the book bag.
Do you have a heart?
Card, passport card.
Do you have a heart?
You can take the whole bag.
Our Father, who art in heaven.
So he says that there's nothing besides the stuff that you've mentioned that was in the backpack, and he said that the stuff that was in the backpack was all his.
Nothing else in the tax without you.
He said there was nothing in the. He said nothing besides those things. Nothing in the tax.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever.
Bar notice. Like we have bar notice. I have one on my girl. She is also not welcome on the property anymore. He wants to issue a bar notice for 5 years. She violates it, she goes to jail for a long time. She will be barred. Her own notice. We'll give her the opportunity to clear it all up.
This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. Even though we have the right to peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for redress our grievances, they can arrest us for whatever reason. This is public property. Everyone can go here. Homeless people can go here. But peaceful petitioners cannot go here. Why? Why? Is there any justice? Is there justice? Is there justice in the world? Is there justice? Justice is dead. Justice is dead. Justice is dead. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you for helping the Chinese government. They spread the coronavirus to the world to persecute this peaceful petitioner. This is last means of petitioning the Chinese government. Why do you?
Ma'am, do you have an identification card with you of any kind? Driver's license, passport, anything?
You know who I am.
I don't know, and I need something that verifies your identity.
All these gentlemen, they know who I am. All of them.
Do you have?
All of them.
Do you have
I
a
don't
driver's license or any sort of identification on you?
I don't think so. Not that
Can
I
you
know
please
of.
look? Can you please look?
all this U.S. Secret Service, they know me. They know who I am.
Can you please look to see if you have an identification of any kind with you? Thank you.
And under what authority are you asking me for this?
I'm asking you to identify yourself so we know who you are. And
All of them, they
record.
know me. Officer Longstraw arresting me 3 times. Let me tell you which one. That guy over there, Officer Longstraw. Let him identify me. Officer Longstraw, don't run away. You know who I am. You know this is Kai. You know this is Kai.
What's your
Hey,
name?
he came. My name is Kai.
Just get it to word of mouth.
All right. Well, since I don't know who you are,
He knows.
that's
He
fine,
knows.
but
He
I'm
knows.
asking you since I don't know who you are,
He knows.
can you please tell me your name?
Can you tell me under what law authority are you demanding my name? Why, U.S. Secret Service already have all my information in their database. Every time they just show up and say, oh, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So yeah, why don't you just check the database of U.S. Secret Service? Everyone knows me. Everyone knows me. Yeah. I invite you to please. Yeah.
I'm
Check.
asking you because I can't check it if I don't know who you are to check it against. What is your name, please?
Ask that Officer Longstraw.
He's not here now. What is your name,
He
please?
deliberately runs away. Ask him to come back. Ask him to come back.
Ma'am, I just need your name. Please.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Did you give me my Miranda right to remain
You're not
silent?
under arrest. I don't need to Mirandize you unless you're under arrest. I just need your name.
Okay, so I don't intend to get into a conversation with you that has legal implication, that I don't have the sufficient legal knowledge to know. Yeah.
Very well. Stay right there. You move from there. We'll have a conversation.
啊，我刚才听到那些他们在那边说，哦，这个人好像有那个什么禁止令啊，要把他抓起来哈啊！你看这些人是多么邪恶哈！啊，秦刚大使，你做的是断子绝孙的损招哈！秦刚大使，我奉劝你，秦刚大使，我蔡秀玲奉劝你，不要继续做这些断子绝孙的损招。我奉劝你，秦刚大使，我奉劝你，秦刚大使，你将迫害一个苦苦维权26年的中国公民哈！秦刚大使哈，你说的好听哈，你带着。Ambassador Chen says he come with the important duty to serve overseas Chinese. And see what Ambassador Chen has just done. He not only issued forbearing notices against us, he also get this gentleman into being arrested. Ambassador Chen Gang, you are a liar, Ambassador Chen Gang. You say you come with the important duty to serve overseas Chinese. You will do all your best to solve difficult problems, to do good deeds, to solve difficult problems. See the good deed you have done. You just get a peaceful Chinese compatriot locked up and criminally prosecuted. Shame on you. If you are not read enough about the Chinese government, about the coronavirus, about how the Chinese people persecute trample on people's human rights and persecute peaceful protesters. If you haven't read enough of that, see what's happening on U.S. soil. Ade noste qui es in celis sanctificetur nomen tuum avenia regnum tuum via voluntas tua sicut in cielo et in terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimite nobis debita nostra, sicut nos dimitimus debitoribus nostri. Excuse me, sir. Can I go there to get my water and get my stuff?
We're wanted here, obviously, that's what we're here for. Right? That's not right. Just making sense.
Excuse me, sir. Et ne nos inducas in tentationem, se libera nos a malo. Pater noster, qui es in celis, sanctificetur nomen tuum, avenia regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in cielo et in terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum da nobis hodie, et dimitte nobis debita nostra, sicut et nos dimitimus debitoribus nostris, et ne nos inducas in tentationem, se libera nos a malo. Pater noster, qui es in celis, sanctificetur nomen tuum, avenia regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in cielo et in terra. Panem nostrum. Excuse me, sir. I want to be put in the witness, name of the witness, to for this
You a
gentleman.
witness, ma'am?
I want to be a
I need your
witness.
information then. You give me your name and everything? If you give me your name, I'll put you in the witness. Is that what you want? I don't know who you are, so if you want to give me your information, we'll put you as a witness. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Just let me get your information. Go ahead. Last name. Spell your last name for me.
C-A-I Kai
Okay. First name.
X-I-U-L-I-N-G.
Okay. X-I-U.
L-I-N-G.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
I don't plan to give up this information.
You're a
And
white
plus,
female.
U.S. Secret Service has all my information. Just look it up. Look
Ma'am,
it
I've
up.
never dealt with you.
You check in your system. Every
I have a piece of paper. What's your date of birth? Just give me the everything. Put it. The report needs it. If you want to be the witness.
I have a constitutional
Okay.
right
All right.
to.
I'll see if I can find it.
Okay. Yeah. And sir, I recorded that I want to be a witness. I want to be a witness. Okay. This gentleman didn't refuse your lawful order. He was just ascertaining that it's indeed a lawful order. This gentleman was insisting to know the legal basis and know who the order came from to ascertain that the officer has a lawful order, a lawful order. Okay, I can testify that. I can testify to that.
Yeah. 102673. Yeah, your phone shut off.
And let me remind you, sir, I have already been arrested 3 times by the United States Secret Service. When I committed absolutely no crime, U.S. Secret Service, why do you have to do this?秦刚大使，你做的是断子绝孙的阴招哈！秦刚大使，秦刚大使，你这个强国，你这个大国哈，真是厉害哈，真是厉害哈！秦刚大使，秦刚大使，我告诉你， 访民不怕刑事拘捕，青冈大使。访民不怕刑事拘捕，访民不怕刑事拘捕，民不畏死，奈何以死惧之？ Officer Longstroke, you are back. Officer Longstroke, identify me to the U.S. Secret Service. He said he doesn't know me. Officer Longstroke, let me ask you, how much did the Chinese embassy pay you to persecute peaceful protesters? Every time a peaceful protester, peaceful petitioner is arrested, you are involved. Officer Longstroke, how much did the Chinese embassy pay you? How much did they bribe you? How much did they pay you to give that big smile on your face every time you see a peaceful petitioner arrested? And I just, excuse me, sir, I insisted that my name to be put on the witness statement. And I want to make a witness statement right now. I want to make a witness statement right now. Excuse me, sir, I want to make a witness statement right now.
I should be all set. I mean, hey, stand by one.
陈树广，陈树广，陳樹廣，陳生，陳生，陳生，阿陳生你聽下，你到嗰度你要求佢俾你傳票，俾你今晚翻嚟，冇叫你今晚喺看守所。你同佢哋話你唔會走，你會準時出庭，要求佢今晚放咗你，冇叫你喺看守所，知唔知道？要求你一定要求，同埋咧，你要求佢將你呢個要求寫喺佢哋嘅記錄上邊。一定要寫喺佢哋記錄上邊，你要求佢哋俾你傳票，你話你一定會去準時出庭，你會日日喺中國大使館呢度抗議如果你冇準時出庭，你話佢哋隨時可以喺中國大使館呢度拘捕你知唔知道同埋咧，阿陳生你要求要律師，你要律師但係你要求法庭將所有的資料都要俾你，唔可以話資料淨係俾嗰個律師，一定要俾你陳生，同埋咧，我頭先同佢哋講咗，我係要做證人，我係證明你根本冇拒絕，我係證明你淨係喺呢度話想搞清楚係佢哋，但係佢哋俾你呢個命令係咪就似佢哋講嘅係一個合法嘅命令所以你一直喺呢度問佢哋法律依據，而佢哋拒絕回答你之後就話你拒絕佢哋嘅合法命令，逮捕你你一定要知道我要求我加咗我係證人同埋我依家要求佢哋對我做證人嘅聲明所以陳生你要求佢今晚放你翻嚟放你唔好叫你喺看守所，同埋咧看守所嗰度叫你除衫，你唔可以除衫，因為嗰度連被都冇，嗰度凍到死你堅決唔除衫，同埋咧你堅決要求佢哋俾你被話你太凍。Excuse me, sir, I'm a witness. I want to have my witness statement taken. Excuse me, sir, I want to have my witness statement taken. I want to have my witness statement taken.
I got a current picture of her. I'll email to you.
I want to have my witness statement taken. I insist to have my witness statement taken. This gentleman did not refuse to move. He was just in the process of ascertaining that the captain captain was indeed giving him a lawful order that has legal basis, legal ground. That was what he was doing. That was what he was doing. Excuse me, sir. I want to have my witness statement taken.
Most likely they're going to use the hotline for him. Lesson learned.
Why you guys are still so happy? Do you think that this has nothing to do with you? Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice anywhere. The injustice is happening in front of you, and you guys are still so happy, chatting, laughing. What is it to celebrate? To celebrate the death of the U.S. Constitution? Shame on you, shame on you. And I want to testify that this gentleman, he was talking about the tent at the White House. So why can people have a tent at the White House, to petition the U.S. government? Why can't he have a tent to petition the Chinese government?
He's in the wagon. Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, sir, can I go to get my water?
Hey, Miller, turn off the red light.
My water and my stuff?
Go ahead.
So that bag is my stuff, okay? Yeah, don't arrest me for whatever. So I have your permission, and that's my property. Excuse me, sir, so what's your name and your badge number?
I've given you that information already 3 times.
Oh, so you're the captain. Okay, so captain. So captain, badge number C, Fagan, and badge number C66. You gave me the permission to go there to retrieve my property.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and also I have some. This gentleman kept some banners from me, so I need to get those banners.
Yep.
All right, Miss Cobb, before you go there, we got to advise you of something. All right.
I'm sorry.
You're going to be advised. You're now being issued a barring notice from the property of the where do you write it at? International Chancery Complex. Okay.
What's
That's the property owned by State Department. All right. You were given this barring notice. Okay.
I'm giving
5 years. Listen. You've been issued these before. 5 years. If you trespass or you come back again, you'll be arrested for unlawful entry. You understand what I'm telling you?
ICC complex.
Do you understand what I just spoke about?
No, I don't know.
Okay, you've been given. You have barring notices. You've been given these before.
No. I need to make sure. So where are you? Where do you bar me from?
All State Department property.
Where is it?
It's this map that's being attached. Okay, it's outlined on the map.
Can you explain to me?
I'm gonna give you a copy. Okay.
No, can you explain to me?
I'm giving you a copy. It's better than me explaining it.
Because
Here's the deal. Again, 5 years. If you come back, you will be arrested. Do you understand?
Please explain to me.
Do you understand that you're being barred from this property?
Please explain to me exactly where I'm barred from.
You're being barred from all the property on this map that is highlighted.
Let me see.
Anything on the lines inside the bounds, the perimeter here. You were banned or you were barred.
Can you point out where the Chinese embassy is?
You can look for yourself, man.
No. Tell me.
I'm not telling you. You know where it's at.
Don't waste US text. Can you show me the bar notice for a moment? Let me see if I can
You're going to get a
understand.
copy of it.
You're going to get a copy of it.
No, let me see if I understand it.
You're now allowed to go to your property off over there. So go get your belongings. We're going to get you a copy of this. All right?
I also have some banners.
You go get your property over there. Go get your stuff.
I also have some banners.
Before you leave, we're giving you a copy. We're going to make a copy right now for you.
So first, that bag and that
You stand by.
is my property.
Yeah,
And
ma'am, we're not going to have a discussion with you.
Yeah, I
The
also
people
have
in
some
charge of this
banners.
property do not give you permission to be on the property. This is not your property. Lawfully, you cannot remain here. We will give you a reasonable amount of time to go retrieve your belongings, and then you will depart the property.
Okay.
Failure to comply with my lawful order will result in your arrest. Do you understand?
Okay, so excuse me, sir. I'm explaining to you that I have some banners.
Okay,
So I
let's
have
go
to
get your
through.
belongings.
Yeah, so can you go with me?
Let's go.
Yeah, I will tell you which
You don't have to tell me anything. You have to get your belongings and depart the area in a reasonable amount of time, or you will be arrested. I'm not going to have a discussion with you.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! See what this Captain Fagan is using the power in his hand. See what he's using his power in his hand. So these two are my belongings. And also I have some
Go get
banners.
your belongings. Go.
So I can go there?
Go, yes,
Yeah. So
go.
I'm not committing unlawful entry, right? I have your
No, we're
permission.
giving you the. Go get it.
I need to open it. Just make sure that's mine. Yeah.
Good. Here, keep the permanent location regardless.
Hallelujah! You let the Chinese government's evilness totally exposed to the world. Hallelujah! Ambassador Chen, you smooth talking, double-faced liar. Is that all you wish to take out of here? I'm sorry?
Is that all your property? That's it?
I think so.
Okay, come on. We'll let you take that over there. We'll come back.
Yeah, I have
we'll
to.
let you come back. Go ahead.
Yeah. This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. This is the death of the U.S. Constitution, United States Department of State. How can you bar me from open public roads? Shame on you, United States Department of State. You are here. Your mission is to protect U.S. public from abuse of immunity by the foreign mission. And what are you doing? You are using the power in your hands to persecute peaceful protesters, huh? Who asked you to issue the lawful, the barring notice against me, huh? Who asked you to do that? Why does the Department of State, why are you so scared of me? You have all those U.S. Secret Service to protect you. And why are you so scared of me? You cannot even allow a peaceful
Ms. Cox,
law.
stand by your property until I get your copy of the bar notice, and I'll let you know the boundaries of what you are not allowed to enter, okay?
You will show me the boundary,
I
right?
will tell you the boundaries.
No, show me
Step
the
over here to
boundary.
the
Show me
I'll
the
get you your
boundary.
copy.
Show me the boundary. Show me the boundary.
I'll show you the boundary.
Yeah, show me. You promised to show me the boundary. I have to leave my property here when you show me the boundary.
No, we're not walking there. I'm gonna tell you your boundaries on the map, and that's it.
I don't understand that.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give you a map, and I'm gonna tell you what your boundaries are.
But you have to explain to me. We are already here, so.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
All right,
yes,
so
yes.
listen, Van Ness to Tilden, all right, north and south. East boundary is Connecticut Avenue, and your western boundary is Reno Road. Anything in those quadrant at four corners, you're not allowed on the property. Do you understand that?
I really don't.
And the
understand.
Chinese embassy is encompassed inside that boundary, and you are not allowed there.
I'm not allowed to go to the
Nope.
Chinese embassy.
No, you need to make an appointment if you need to go to the Chinese embassy for any business-related matters.
Well, appointment with whom?
That's correct.
With whom?
Correct. You are not allowed inside the boundaries I have just given you. Do you understand that?
No, those are public sidewalk. Why
No,
can you,
they are
why
not
can
public.
You,
You're mistaken. Thank you.
no, so can you prove to me that those are not public
All right.
sidewalk? Prove to me.
Ms. Kai, this is your copy. We have highlighted the boundaries for you.
Where's the Chinese embassy?
It's encompassed in this perimeter that's been highlighted for
Can
you.
you show it?
I am telling you, it is in this boundary. You'll see it on your map. This is your copy. Again, 5 years. If you enter this perimeter, you will be arrested for unlawful entry. Do you understand that?
And can you
Do you understand that, ma'am?
Can you give me the proof that these public roads actually are
Ma'am, I don't have to do
State
that.
Department property?
You have been advised you are barred. Here is your copy. Take your copy and grab your belongings and you need to
Can
exit.
you walk with me there?
No, we don't.
No,
Let's go, man.
no, let's go. Get
So
your belongings.
I cannot
Time
go
to
to
go.
the Chinese embassy?
No. If you have official business, you need to make an appointment with them.
With whom? With whom?
Here is your copy.
With whom?
Ma'am, this is your last time I'm going to tell you.
No, when you say make an appointment,
Ma'am,
make an
this is
appointment
your
with
last
whom?
this is your last opportunity to grab your belongings and leave. This is the barring notice.
I'm going to take my stuff.
Again,
But you
take
say
your copy.
I need to.
You're now been notified. You've been now put on notice. You've been barred.
And
Grab
I
your belongings,
insist,
ma'am.
I insist that you show
That's fine.
me.
It's on
you
there.
Show
You don't
me.
have to show
Grab your belongings
you.
now.
It's been explained to you and you've
No.
been provided a map.
No,
We don't have to show you.
Except U.S.
Time
tax
to get your
dollar.
belongings and depart the area.
And I insist that you prove to me. I insist that you
Ma'am, we
prove to
don't
me
have
that
to prove-
these
Grab your
public
belongings,
roads,
ma'am.
public sidewalk are actually property of the United States Department.
The next time I tell you, you're going to be arrested for unlawful entry. Grab your belongings. You're now leaving the area.
So are you saying I cannot go to the front
You are
gate
not
of
allowed to be at the front of the embassy. Grab your belongings now.
I cannot go there, and can I go to the back gate of the Chinese embassy?
Again, you were on the verge of being arrested, ma'am. Grab your belongings.
I'm clarifying, okay?
And I've clarified it 3 times. Grab
So
your belongings.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I need some help.
We're not
We're not
helping
helping
you.
you.
Let's go.
How can I grab all this stuff?
Grab your stuff, ma'am.
Let's go.
How can
Carry
I?
it in, you carry it out. Let's go.
You see, they were here. I didn't carry this
They all
in.
have straps. Put them
Let's
on.
go,
Let's
man.
go.
Are you going to help me?
No, ma'am.
And can you show me the
Ma'am,
back
no.
gate, the
Ma'am,
vehicle
for the
gate?
final time, get your belongings and depart the area or you're going to jail. We're not having
That's abuse of power, a blatant abuse of power. Why should a law-abiding U.S. citizen be barred from public property? They say United States Department, they say they own this property. Give me the proof that they own this property. Give me the proof that they own this property. Give me the proof. Oh shit, I need somebody's help. God, send somebody to help.
Grab your
If you
stuff.
refuse to depart the area, you will be arrested.
Oh shit, can you see they are so heavy? Can you see they only have 2 hands? Yeah, and sir, I demand that you show me the vehicle gate at the...
Ma'am, we're not showing you anything. You've been provided a map. It's been explained to you. It's time to depart the area.
Oh, what the fuck? Fuck. Fuck this fucking US Secret Service. What's your badge number?
L144.
L144.
144.
L144. And what's your name?
Grievous.
I'm sorry?
I told you, I'll tell you again. Grab your
Can you
belongings.
spell it for me?
No.
I need to sue you.
No.
I need to
let's go.
sue you.
Time to go.
Yeah, I
Grab
need
your
to
stuff.
sue you, so I need to know your name. I need to know your name.
I
Spell your
provided it.
name
I'm not
for
going to
me.
provide it again. Grab your
Time to
stuff
go.
now.
You see, I have two hands, and I have so many stuff. If you can help me, can you
No.
help me?
No.
Oh, so are you going to allow me various trips
No. Get your belongings now.
in one trip?
Get them now or leave them.
Fuck. Shame on you. Shame on you. You should really be ashamed of yourself. 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 Be ashamed of yourself. Be ashamed of yourself. This is the death of the U.S. Constitution. And you are so happy that the U.S. Constitution is dead, that you can abuse your power to ease your... What's your name? You
Ma'am, he's
spell...
giving you your name. Let's go. Gather your belongings. and
Spell
go.
your name for me. Spell
Let's
your
go.
name for
Let's
me.
go.
Spell your name
Let's
for
go.
me.
That way.
Spell
Let's
your
go.
name for
Let's
me.
go.
Spell your name for me.
Let's go.
Spell...
This way. Now. Ma'am, let's go.
So is this State
Let's
Department
go.
property?
Yes, it is. State Department property. It's time for you to depart. You've been given him a
No. Are you
reasonable
sure?
amount of time
No.
to comply.
Are you sure? Are you
Let's
sure?
go.
This is public road.
Let's go.
This is public road.
Let's go.
This is public road.
Let's go.
This is public road. This is public road. I'm on
Walk.
US.
Walk.
Let's go,
Walk.
ma'am. Let's go. You're going to jail. We're not going to have discussions all night long. Let's go.
You
Onto the
heartless.
sidewalk.
You heartless. You heartless captain. You heartless US Secret Service.
Let's go, man. Go.
When you die, God is going to ask you, what did you do with the power in your
Let's go, ma'am.
hands?
Let's go.
Why can't you just do me a favor?
No,
No.
I'm not carrying
No.
anything for you.
Walk.
Let's go. Let's go.
And excuse me, sir, I insisted that you explain to me the exact boundary.
Walk to the street now.
Ma'am, we're going to take you to jail if you don't go. Let's go.
What the fuck?
Let's go.
Is there any human right?
Let's go.
Can't you see this is
Let's
heavy?
go. We're not having a discussion. Stop
Can't
walking.
you see
Let's
this
go.
is heavy?
Let's go.
Can't you see this is heavy? When
go.
you die, God is going to ask you, what did you do? I insist that
Quit
you...
bumping into my officer.
Let's go.
I insist that you
go,
spell your
man.
name for me.
Walk.
You
Walk.
issue the
Walk.
barring
Walk.
notice.
Walk. Walk.
You issue the barring notice
Let's go, man.
against
Give it
me
enough
that strip me of my constitutional right.
Let's go.
And
Walk.
also that's the Office of
Let's
Foreign
go.
Mission.
Let's
That's
go.
where that's where you
Walk.
go to denounce the
go.
crime committed by the Chinese embassy. You strip me of my constitutional
ma'am.
right to petition
Let's go, ma'am.
the U.S. government
Ma'am,
for
if you're
redress.
refusing to go, you're going to jail. So let's go.
Am I
That's the last
refusing?
time we're going to tell you.
Am I refusing?
Let's
you
go.
See, you see this heavy stuff
Let's
that I'm
move.
taking? You
Let's
see
move.
this heavy stuff that I'm taking? You
You
are
have a second
heartless.
hand. You have another hand there.
You
Let's go. have
you
plenty
are
of
heartless.
opportunity
Let's
to
go.
carry.
Walk.
You are heartless.
Put your phone
You
down.
are
You can carry all
heartless.
this stuff.
You are heartless.
Let's go.
You guys are heartless. I insist that you explain to me
Walk that way.
where is
Explained.
the.
It's not going to be explained again, ma'am. Let's go.
Just
We're
tell
giving
me
you more
which
than enough
ones are
chances to comply.
U.S. State Department property.
Let's go.
Which ones are U.S. State Department property? Can I go to the Office of Foreign Mission?
Walk.
Let's go.
No.
you cannot.
Walk.
Let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
Pick up your stuff. I'm not stepping on it.
Let's go, ma'am. Walk. You must depart the area right now. Let's go.
Get it out of there.
The Office of
Let's
Foreign
go,
Mission
go.
is
Go.
where you go. Is where you go
Let's
to
go.
petition when you report a crime committed by
go,
the
man.
Chinese embassy.
Ma'am, let's go. Keep walking straight. Let's go. Let's go, ma'am. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to go to jail. Let's go. Move.
You are going to jail.
Let's go.
You are going to jail.
Let's
You
go.
are going to jail for abusing process,
Let's
for
go.
persecuting peaceful petitioner.
Let's go, ma'am.
You see this heartless U.S. Secret Service. They just bar a U.S. citizen from public ground. Huh? What's your name? Spell your name for me. Huh? You look so fearless, huh?
Let's go, ma'am. Ma'am, keep moving. Keep moving. Let's go.
You look so fearless, huh? You have no respect, no fear for the law
Let's
or
go.
order. Shame on you, U.S.
Let's go.
Secret Service.
Let's go.
The
We're not having any more
motto.
discussions. Let's go.
Oh yeah, sir. So
Let's
you
go,
are
Mom.
taking
Let's go.
videotaping.
Ma'am, let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
You look so fearless, huh? Look so fearless, huh? I hope that you even
Let's
blink
go,
your
ma'am.
eyes. You even blink your
Let's
eyes,
go.
huh? When you
Ma'am,
die.
you're gonna trip over the curb.
See?
Watch where you're going. Let's go.
When you
Ma'am,
die.
you need to start walking now.
See if you can blink that eye to God, huh?
Let's go.
Oh, you're blinking again.
Let's go.
You have no fear of God.
Let's go. Let's
you
go.
have no fear of
Let's go.
God.
Let's go, ma'am.
I need to take a rest.
No rest. Let's go.
I'm tired.
Let's go.
I have the human right to take
Let's
a
go,
rest.
ma'am.
I'm so exhausted. This
Ma'am,
is
let's
heavy. This is heavy.
Let's go, ma'am.
This is heavy. Can
Let's
you
go.
give me a hand,
No, we're not
gentlemen?
giving you a hand. Let's go. Let's go.
I swear to God, I'm going to strike
Walk.
down. I'm going
Walk,
to strike down.
walk,
I'm going
walk,
to strike down
walk.
this fucking barring notice that this.
Walk.
Ma'am, let's go.
Oh shit! I'm so exhausted. I need
Let's
to.
go. Nope.
I need to take a rest.
No, ma'am.
Am
Let's
I
go.
a slave?
Let's go.
Am I a slave?
Let's go.
Walk. Let's go, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. Or you going to jail? Let's go. Let's
I
go.
go to jail. Or
Let's
you
go.
go to jail.
Let's go.
I go to jail.
Let's go.
Or you go to jail.
Ma'am, start walking.
I'm exhausted.
Let's go.
exhausted.
Let's
I'm
go.
exhausted.
Let's
I'm
go, ma'am.
exhausted.
Let's go. You're going right to that corner.
I'm exhausted.
Let's go.
I'm
You
exhausted.
can rest as soon as we get down here.
Where?
Do whatever you like. Let's go.
Where?
We are walking to the end of the street, ma'am. Let's go.
哎呀，秦刚大使，我告诉你，
Let's go.
秦刚大使，好，你不让我在大使馆抗议，好，我上你家抗
Let's
议
go,
啊
ma'am.，
我上你家抗议啊，秦刚大使，我
Ma'am,
上你
let's
家
go.
抗议啊，我上你家抗议哈，秦刚大
Let's go.
使，Shame on you, Ambassador 秦刚，Shame on you。
Let's go. Let's go, ma'am. Gotta keep
I
moving.
insist
Let's go.
that you spell your name for me.
Let's go,
You
ma'am.
issue the barring notice against me
Let's go.
that strip me of my constitutional
Let's go,
right.
ma'am.
I insist that you tell me.
Let's go, ma'am.
First, you
Ma'am,
spell
let's
your
go.
name for
He
me.
spelled everything, and everything's been explained to you.
No,
There's
he
no
didn't
more
spell.
discussions.
He didn't
Let's
spell.
go.
And second,
Move.
I need you to prove that
Nope. Let's
this
go.
public property, a property of the United States Department of
Let's
State.
go, ma'am.
I demand the proof from you.
Walk. Turn around and walk.
Yeah, are you going to give me the proof to
Turn
prove that
around
this
and
public
walk.
property?
Walk
this
through the street.
public
Let's go. Come on.
property-
Come on. Pick up your stuff.
This
Let's
public property.
Come on.
Let's go.
This
Put
public
some more energy in
property,
walking. Let's go.
Let's go, ma'am.
I demand that you give me the proof.
Let's go,
Let's
ma'am.
go.
Proof
To
that
the
this
street. Let's
public
go.
property
Let's go.
that
Let's go.
everybody can go.
Let's go,
Can
ma'am.
Keep
go
walking.
without an appointment.
Keep walking.
Everybody can
We're
go.
walking. Let's
I'm
go.
exhausted. I'm really exhausted.
Pick up your
Let's
stuff.
go.
I'm
Let's
really
Let's go.
Pick up your stuff.
I'm really.
Come on.
Let's
I'm
go,
really
ma'am.
exhausted.
Man, pick up your things. Let's
I'm
go.
really exhausted. Oh shit, this
Let's
is
go, ma'am.
heavy.
Pick up your stuff.
Man, pick up your things right now. Let's go.
Am I a slave?
Let's
Pick
go,
up your
man.
stuff.
Shame on you.
Let's
Shame
go.
on you. You and you.
Let's go.
Explain to me
Walk.
which
Walk.
one.
Let's go.
No, you
Come
give
on.
me a barring notice.
That's
and
correct.
bar
Walk.
my strip
Walk.
me on my constitutional
Walk.
right. You've got to
Walk.
explain to me.
Walk.
Give me the proof
Let's
that
go. Walk.
this are actually
Let's
the
go, man.
property
Walk.
of the U.S.
Watch where you're
State
stepping, you're gonna
Department instead of public property.
Let's go. Keep going.
Let's go, ma'am.
Oh.
Let's go, ma'am. Let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
Come on. Pick up your stuff.
Let's go. Let's go, ma'am. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir.
Let's
Can
go,
you
ma'am.
give me
You
a
can
hand?
use both hands. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Ma'am, you've been given more than enough chances.
Yeah, I want to make a
depart the
witness
area.
statement.
Let's go.
I want to make a witness
Let's
statement
go.
to
Let's go.
testify about that matter. About
Let's
You
go,
that.
need to
ma'am.
move. Let's go. Keep walking.
Yeah, and after that, I
Let's go,
insist
ma'am.
that.
Keep walking.
Let's go.
I
That's all
insist
you
that
like.
Let's
I.
go.
Yeah, I insist that I
Let's
have
go.
a statement.
Let's go.
The
There
witness
we go.
statement.
Let's go.
Keep walking.
Oh.
Ma'am, let's go. You've been given enough time. Let's go.
Officer Longstraw,
Let's
how
go,
much
let's
did the
go,
Chinese
let's
embassy
go.
pay you, huh?
Let's
How much
go,
they
ma'am.
bribe
Turn
you?
around.
Let's go, ma'am.
Turn around.
Let's go.
Wait, don't push me.
Let's go,
okay?
ma'am.
Now,
Let's go.
we're done. You're walking, or you're going to jail.
Let's
You got
go.
about-
You are going to jail, okay?
You got about 30 seconds to make it down the hill, or you're going to jail. Turn around and
Go.
walk now.
What if I cannot
Let's
make
go,
it in 30
ma'am.
seconds? You see,
You'll
this
make
is
it in
so
30
heavy.
seconds.
You
Turn
see,
around.
this is so
Switch
heavy.
hands, put your phone down, and carry
This
it with
is
2
so
hands.
heavy.
Let's go.
I need to take videotape as
Let's go,
witness.
ma'am.
Put the
that
phone
I
down
can-
and carry 2 hands, and you'll make it down the hill in 30 seconds, or you're going to jail.
Oh,
Let's go.
you know that it's so important to have
go.
a proof.
Ma'am.
It's so important to
Ma'am,
have
let's go.
proof. It's so important to have
Let's go.
proof. It's so important to have proof.
How about you turn around and walk, and it'll go a lot quicker,
Let's go.
and you can be rid of us for the night.
Let's go, ma'am.
Oh no! I insist
Let's
to
go.
make a witness
Let's go, ma'am.
statement, and I also insist
Walk.
that
Let's
you
go.
issue the barring notice against
Walk.
me. I insist that you
Walk.
spell your name
Walk.
for
He
me.
already
Walk.
did. Turn around.
No,
walk.
he didn't. He just
Walk.
said
Ma'am.
briefly how his name was pronounced. I'm not a native speaker.
Let's go,
I
ma'am.
didn't catch that. I
Ma'am,
didn't
let's
catch
go.
that.
Walk.
I insist
move
that
back.
you.
Walk.
Let's go, ma'am.
I insist that you spell your name for me,
Walk.
and I insist you that you
Walk.
give me proof that these are
Walk.
actually
Walk.
How about you make it down to the
property.
corner, and we'll do that for you. Make
Oh,
it down to the
okay.
corner.
Great.
Pick up your crap, move down to the corner.
My what?
Pick up your stuff and move
go.
down to the corner,
What
and
do
we'll
you
give
mean
you
by
the name.
what do
Let's
you
go.
mean
Let's
by
go,
crap?
ma'am. Let's
What
go.
do you mean
Your
by
stuff.
crap?
Let's go.
Pick
Let's
up your
go.
stuff. I
Let's
used the
go.
wrong
Let's
word.
go.
Stuff means
Let's
to
go.
Turn around
Let's go.
and
Come
walk.
on.
crap means
Come on.
something.
Come on, we'll talk
very-
to you on the corner. You have questions? We'll talk to you on the corner.
Can you give
Let's go.
give me a hand?
Let's talk on the
It's so
corner.
heavy.
No, let's go.
Switch hands.
Let's
It's
go.
so heavy.
Switch your phone and your bags to the other hand.
Let's go.
My hands are shaking.
Okay,
Let's
great.
go, ma'am.
My hands are shaking.
Ma'am, let's go. You've been giving many million opportunities here. Let's go.
What the
We're
fuck?
giving
You
you
don't.
every chance here to comply. Let's
Do
go.
you see I'm moving?
Let's go.
And you haven't
Let's
proved
go,
that this.
ma'am.
You haven't proved
Let's go,
that
ma'am.
this is
go.
property of the
go.
State
Let's go.
Department.
Let's
This
go.
is
We'll talk to you
public
down
road.
here.
This
We'll
is
talk to you
public
at the end of the block.
road.
Let's go.
I'm on public
go.
road.
Let's go. Let's go.
What the fuck?
Come on. Let's go. Let's go,
I'm
ma'am.
exhausted.
Let's go, ma'am.
I'm exhausted.
Let's go.
This stuff is heavy.
Let's go,
This
ma'am.
crab that you described is
Two hands
heavy.
Carry it, ma'am. Let's go.
I need to videotape.
Let's go.
I'm
Ma'am, if you're refusing
videotaping.
to leave, you're going to jail.
I'm not refusing. I'm
Let's
just
go.
saying. I'm
Let's
just
go.
saying I am
No, we've given
exhausted.
you enough time. We've given you a
I'm
reasonable
saying
amount
I'm
of time
exhausted.
to
Can
comply
you
with
give
our
me
lawful
a
order.
hand?
This is not
Can
a
you give
discussion.
me
This
a
is a
hand?
lawful order. Let's go.
You are abusing the law.
Let's go.
Okay? You are abusing the law.
Let's go.
You are abusing the law.
Let's
Shame
go.
on you.
Down
Shame
here.
on you. If you have any sense of justice, you should really be ashamed of yourself for doing. You should really be ashamed of yourself for doing what you are doing to me.
Let's go.
What you have
Let's
done
walk.
to me.
Hope they're not coming here. Okay. Walk.
Let's go, ma'am. Ma'am, let's go.
How terrible it is for a man to fear no law and fear no God.
Walk. Walk. Walk.
Let's go, ma'am. Let's go. Let's go. Ma'am, let's go.
If you go
Let's
home,
go. Now,
and
move.
then you can have a good night's
Move.
sleep tonight.
Let's go. Move.
If your heart,
Move to the corner. Let's
if
go.
your conscience
Let's go.
is
Come on.
not troubled
Come on.
by what happens tonight,
Come on.
I
go.
worry for your soul.
Come on.
I worry for your soul.
Let's go. Let's go.
I worry for your soul.
Come on, ma'am.
I worry for your
on.
soul. I worry for your soul.
Let's go.
This one's going on the book.
Yeah, okay, you promise
Come
to
on,
give me
ma'am.
your name.
Ma'am,
Come on,
let's
walk.
go.
You
Let's
spell
go.
your name.
Come on, you want to
and
talk? We'll
give
talk
me the
down here.
proof.
Let's
Give
go.
me the proof.
We'll talk all
that
about it down here.
Where you bar me from is actually property of the State Department.
Let's
Oh,
go,
nice.
man. Let's go. Let's go.
Keep
Ma'am,
walking.
you gotta keep moving right now. Let's go. Let's go.
You can do me the favor and
Let's
we
go.
can quickly go there.
Let's go. Ma'am, let's move right now.
So,
Right now. Let's
so
go.
am I on public road right now?
Let's go, ma'am.
Walk. No. Walk.
Is this
Let's go.
public road?
Walk.
Is
Let's
this
go.
Lisa? Is
Let's
this
go.
public road?
No, it is not. Walk.
This is
Ma'am,
Walk.
property of
You're
the
on
State
State Department
Slow down
property.
and
Walk.
hurt yourself.
Are
Walk.
you sure?
Yes, I'm
How
positive.
come all those
Walk.
people can drive?
Walk.
You
Let's
drive
go. Come on, walk.
Let's go, ma'am. Ma'am, turn around and look where you're going. You're going to fall down and hurt yourself. We don't want you to hurt yourself. Let's go.
Ah, you just hurt me more than enough.
Come on. We don't want to hurt you.
You
We're trying to
just
help
hurt me more than enough.
Trying
You
to help you
strip
out.
me of my
Let's go.
constitutional right.
Trying to help you out here.
You
Let's
strip
go.
me of my
Let's go.
constitutional right.
Let's go.
You
go.
strip me of my constitutional
Watch where you're
right.
stepping.
Shame
Let's go.
on
Come
you.
on.
Shame on you. Shame
ma'am.
on you.
Come on, ma'am. Let's go. We'll give you
If
plenty
your
of chances to
heart,
comply here. Let's go.
if
Come
your
on.
conscience is
Come on.
not troubled by what happens
Let's go, ma'am.
tonight, if you are not troubled by
Ma'am, let's go.
if your conscience is not
on.
troubled by what happens tonight,
Come on.
you should really be ashamed of yourself.
Come
Be
on.
ashamed.
Let's go.
The
Let's go, ma'am.
Constitution doesn't just protect me, it
Ma'am, let's
protects
go.
you too.
Walk.
Next
Let's go.
time, your loved one, your friend
Watch
can be
your
doing
walk in the
business
ground.
with the
Let's go,
Chinese
ma'am. You're gonna fall
government,
down. Watch
with the
where you're
Chinese
stepping.
government, and
Watch
they
where
could
you're
be
walking, ma'am. Come on, we
they
don't
could
want you
be
to hurt yourself. Let's
wronged
go.
because
Come on.
the
Come on, come on, come on.
Chinese courts have such
Come on,
a
you're almost there.
long,
Let's go.
long arm statue.
Come on.
They have a long,
on,
long
ma'am.
arm statue.
Come on. Let's go.
They have a long, long arm statue.
Come on.
They have a
Walk.
long,
Watch
long
where you're
arm
going, man.
statue.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Let's go. Come on.
Your
Let's go, ma'am.
your family, your
Let's go.
loved ones could be hurt by
Let's
what
go.
you have done tonight.
Let's go.
The Chinese courts have a very long,
Let's go,
long
ma'am.
arm statue. If your friends, your
Let's go,
loved
ma'am.
ones, your family do business with
Let's
China,
go. Let's go. Let's go.
they are subject to
Come
the
on.
jurisdiction of the corrupt
go, ma'am.
Chinese courts. They are subject to the jurisdiction of
Ma'am,
the
let's
corrupt
go.
Chinese courts.
Come on.
And
Come on.
by
on.
doing what, by arresting
you're
the
almost there. Let's
gentleman,
go.
by barring
Let's
me
go.
from
Let's go.
coming here,
Let's go, man.
you are not only hurting me, you
Walk.
are
Let's
hurting
go.
your
Come on, we gotta
loved
get out of
ones.
the way. There's a fire
You
engine
are-
coming. Come on. We
you
gotta
are-
get out of the way. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
go.
yeah, so
Come
let
on.
me
Walk.
Let's go.
Move.
No,
Ma'am,
let
let's
him-
go right now.
Instead of going, we
Right
need
now.
to.
How
We
about
need
you
to
let's
turn
be.
go.
around and walk now?
Ma'am, let's go right now. Right now, ma'am.
You
Let's
see,
go.
there is a fire engine.
Let's
we
go.
shouldn't be going.
Let's
we should
go
be
right
on the
now.
sidewalk.
Ma'am, walk
You're in
this
there
way
No, we
now.
should be.
Let's
no,
go.
we should be on the sidewalk.
Let's go.
Then
Let's
get over
go.
to the sidewalk down there now.
Let's go.
If you're so worried about it, get over to the
Let's
sidewalk.
go.
This is not a sidewalk.
This is not a sidewalk.
This is a median. Sidewalk's over there. Move it.
Huh?
Oh, okay. So let's go to the sidewalk.
Let's go, man. Let's go. We'll talk.
go
You want
to
to
the
talk? Then
sidewalk.
go down here. We will talk. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go, man. Now.
Feels so good to have power in hand.
Let's go.
Huh? Feels so good, huh?
Let's go.
Feels
Come
so
on.
good that you will be
on.
blinking your eyes
Come on.
mischievously, huh?
Let's go.
You think that's cute? You think that's cute, huh? You think that when you die, God is going to think that you are really so cute for blinking your eyes, huh? When trampling
that layout
on my
long.
constitution. Hey,
Let's go, man.
Officer
Walk.
Longstroke.
Let's go.
Walk,
Let's go.
walk.
Officer
Ma'am,
Longstroke.
walk right now. Let's
How
go.
much did the
Let's go.
Chinese?
Let's go. Let's go.
You,
Let's go. We're
you-
not discussing it. Let's go.
guys
You're
are
leaving.
To the corner. Let's go.
You
go.
guys are so heartless.
Come on. Let's go.
Heartless.
Let's go.
Heartless.
The fire department's doing. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go, ma'am. Let's go. Let's go.
To the corner. Let's go.
Where can I contest this?
Walk.
This,
Go,
this
man.
barring
Walk.
notice?
Go.
Walk.
Let's go,
Where can
ma'am.
I contest this
Police
barring
Let's
headquarters,
go.
300 Indiana Avenue.
Let's go, ma'am.
I can contest the
Oh,
barring
ma'am.
notice there.
Let's go.
You can
you
try.
Did you say
Let's
You
go,
can
ma'am.
try to.
Let's go.
at the
Turn around and walk so you don't trip and fall, please.
the Metropolitan Police Station, Second
Let's go,
District?
ma'am. Get it back to
Did you
the-
say?
Can you turn around and walk and watch where you're going so you don't trip and fall?
Can you repeat the address?
Not,
Let's go,
not
man.
until you get to the corner.
Let's go. Ma'am, let's go. Keep moving. Now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Everybody
Let's go. Move.
can go on U.S.
Let's go, ma'am.
public sidewalk.
Let's go, man.
That's where you're
Except
headed.
those.
Let's go. You can go on a
Except
public
those-
sidewalk right there. Do whatever you like.
Except those.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
Except those.
Let's go, ma'am.
Except
Let's
those
go,
who
ma'am.
dare to protest
Walk.
Let's
against
go.
the Chinese embassy.
Let's go.
Huh? The Chinese embassy is the #1 superpower in the world.
Let's go.
Am I? Is that
Huh?
legal?
Let's go, ma'am. Let's go.
Is
This
this
is all State Department property. All this red brick is State Department property. You got to be across the street.
Let's go.
so the street
Let's
is
go,
not
ma'am.
the street
No.
is not
Across
the
the
street.
street.
No, the street is not.
No, it is not.
Let's go.
The street is not.
You
State
cannot
Department
stand in the
property.
middle of the roadway. That is not healthy for you.
Oh no,
You could be hit by a car, and we do
Let's
not
go,
want
man.
that for
so,
you.
Excuse me, sir. So
So we're trying to help you across the street to a sidewalk.
Excuse me, sir. Did
Let's
you
go.
just admit
Good.
that this public
Let's go.
roads?
I
are
did not say the
State
public
Department?
road.
Let's go,
Yeah,
ma'am.
so these are public roads, right?
Across the street.
So they don't belong to the United States Department, right?
Leave it right there, man.
You're good right there. Have a good night.
Ma'am, don't come back.
No,
onto the
no, no,
property.
no,
You go to
no.
jail.
Good night.
No, he issued. At the gentleman who issued the barring notice against me. At the gentleman. Huh? So the gentleman promised to spell his name. Huh? And then when I'm here, the gentleman disappeared. Shame on you! Shame on you!